Hello guys, so if you're looking to search on Pluto TV, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place. Because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now firstly open Pluto TV. Now there are few methods that you can search for anything. The first thing is the main search icon over here. So if you click on it, you will have the search bar, and over here you can search literally anything that you want. So after that, just simply go to live TV over here, and over here you will find the categories for live TVs like movie, entertainment, news, option, crime, reality, etc. as you can see right over here. And if you choose any category, let's say comedy, and if you scroll down, you will find the shows that are gonna happen and are happening right now. If you click on any show over here, it will start playing. Now the last method is on demand. So click on it, and over here you will find all the options for on demand. As you can see, there are tons of category over here. So after that, all you have to do is just simply click on the show and your show will start running. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.